Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to reset your Amazon account password. Now let's begin. As you can see, I've already gone to amazon.com. Now let's simply try to sign in. In the navbar, you'll see a button like this that says account and list. Simply hover over it, and from here, just click on sign in. Well, as you can see, I have already entered my email address right here. If you have not, enter it right now. Once you've done it, simply hit on continue. Once you click on it, well, here's the password section. And for now, let us just say that we have forgotten our password. So here's what we can do to regain access to our account. Simply click on this forgot your password button right here and enter the email address that you have registered in your Amazon account. Well, as you can see, I've entered it already and I'm just gonna hit on continue. Now as you can see, it says a OTP has been sent to the email address. I'm gonna go to it right now. This right here is the email that I had received and this is the OTP. I'm just gonna copy it and paste it right here. Once you've done it, simply hit on continue. In case you did not receive an OTP, click on this resend OTP button once again. But right now, let's simply hit on continue. Now what you have to do is simply enter your new password and again re-enter it once again. Once you've entered all of them, what you need to do is simply click on save changes and sign in. And guys, that's it. That's how you reset your Amazon account password. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.